Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a beginner dumbbell circuit training workout for adults over 50. And boy, if that's not a mouthful, I don't know what it is. Anyway, my name is Paul and I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. We only have 5 exercises today. We got an incline bench, then a row, an Arnold press for the shoulders, tricep extension, and an incline curl. So just 5 exercises. We're going to go through them 3 times without any breaks. So I just want you to concentrate on a few things while we do these exercises. Leave 3 to 5 repetitions in reserve, meaning if you feel like you have 3 more left or 5 reps left, that's the time to stop right there and then. Don't push it too hard. Remember, we are just starting out. I want you to use full range of motion, as full as you're comfortable doing. So on the chest press, I want you to go all the way back and then all the way up, all right? Also, the pacing on this is really going to matter. So on the way down, on a negative, when that weight is pushing against you, I want you to resist it. Don't just drop down. Everything has to be in controlled pace. Remember, we do not want to get injured doing my workout or any other workout that you may be doing. Also, trick here is to make the light weights that you may be using feel more difficult. So that's why, like I said, we go full range of motion. We're going to control our pacing and we are going to leave a little bit of reserve, but not too much. And this will apply the most amount of stimulus that it can without getting too fatigued. And when we're not getting fatigued, we're probably going to avoid injuries. So let's not talk anymore and let's just get started. All right, so we're starting with an incline bench press. So I have my bench here. This is, by the way, the most popular bench I believe that's sold on Amazon, and we're gonna set it to about 30 degrees or so. So when you incline the bench and works your upper chest, and as we get older, this area right here is not very developed. Also, that's why we start sagging. So this works the upper chest. Still works all of the chest, but it concentrates a little bit more on the upper chest. So let's grab our dumbbells. Let me grab my dumbbells. And we're just gonna go for a few repetitions, nice and easy. Remember, this is circuit training, so we're gonna go from one exercise straight to the next, all right? So grab our bench, bring those dumbbells up. We're gonna go for 10 repetitions. You guys ready to go? All the way down, pause, and up, and that's 1. All the way down, resist it, and up. That's 2. Down, resist, 3. Down and resist, 4, 5, halfway there, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 1, resist it, pause it, and 10. And then back down, put the dumbbells down, and let's move on to the next exercise, which will be a dumbbell row. Let's put the bench down to a flat position. There we go. And I'm gonna adjust this so you guys can see me a little bit better. And I'm gonna start with, let's see, same weights. And I'm gonna just start on this side. Once again, so you can see me a little bit better. So kneel down. Support yourself on the bench, grab your weight, leave the weight a little bit ahead in front of you so you get a nice full stretch on your back, and then bring the elbow up and then back down, all right? We're gonna go for 10 repetitions on each side. Ready? Up and resist it on the way down. Nice full stretch. Up and resist it. Up and resist. Up and hold it. That's 5, 6, 7, elbow back, 8, 2 more, hold it back, 9, and 10. Now I'm gonna switch sides. So I'm just gonna grab my other dumbbell, move this over a little bit, go to the other side. And I'm doing the same arm. What am I doing? Film live. Yes, complete with bloopers. Here we go. 1, 2, resisted weight, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. All right, weights down. Now we're moving on to something called the Arnold press. Very similar to a shoulder press. However, we are going to rotate the weights as we lift them. And you should see this on a preview right now. And I will also show it to you. So, like a shoulder press, if you have a bench that goes all the way to 90 degrees, I recommend that you leave it at the setting that's prior to that. So this is not completely vertical. Not many of us have the range of motion to go fully up when we are completely vertical. So lean it back a little bit to about 80 to 85 degrees. We're going for the Arnold press. I'm going to use a set of 20s for this one. Gonna sit down, you should have enough room. All right, so weights in front of you, and then rotate them up, and resist on the way down. That's 1. Up, and that's 2. Up, 3, and up, 4, up, 5, and resist on the way down, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, boom, and 10. Put the weights down, and from here we are moving on to tricep extension. I'm going to use my 30s, and I'm going to use 1 dumbbell, so a single dumbbell. Leave the bench right as it is. I'm going to sit a little bit on the edge so I can put the dumbbell over my head, and we're going to go for 10 tricep extensions. You guys ready? 1, and resist it all the way down. 2, let it pull you back. 3, nice. 4, 5, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And weights back down. All right, and now we're gonna go for an incline dumbbell curl. So put your bench down to, if you have an adjustable bench, 45 degrees. Grab a set of weights. Let's see what we're gonna use. I'm gonna choose to go with the 15s because this exercise is very difficult when it is paced correctly. And once again, we're trying to pace everything correctly. So you got your bench, sit back. This way you get resistance from the very beginning of the movement, unlike a standing curl where you don't do that. So let's go for 10 reps, ready? 1, and then fight it on the way down. Follow my pace. 2, fight it, fight it, fight it. 3, fight it, come on. 4, 5, you got 5 left in you. 1, 2, 3, and up, 4, and 5. Boom, and those are done. So right now we're moving right back to the top. We're going back to incline chest presses. I'm going to keep on facing the camera since the bench is already facing this way. Just going to lower this a notch, a notch. Here we go, and we're going back to the top. So you guys, you know what? For the sake of this video, I'm going to go through this twice, not 3 times. If you like to keep on continuing to repeat this circuit, just replay the video. It'll be good for me, it'll be good for my YouTube channel, it'll be good for the algorithm, and it'll be good for you. All right, so we're going for 10 repetitions of incline bench. Nice stretch at the bottom, and then up. Stretch at the bottom, 2, 3, 4, resist on the way down, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, last one, and 10. And on the way down, and then put the weights down. All right, moving on to rows. Once again, I will face the camera, flatten the bench, not waste any time. All right, so support yourself well. Remember, pick up that weight, and then elbow goes back, and then once you get full extension on the way down. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to keep that back flat. 6, 7. Come on, 3 more. Ready? Let's go. 1, control on the way down. 2, and 3. And weight down. Switch sides immediately. And let's go the other side. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. I believe the heavy weights are done. All right, bench goes back up to 85 degrees. I can move it back a little bit. I'll leave the link to this bench in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. Please, by all means, check it out. It will be an affiliate link, so if you do purchase it, I will get 2% of your purchasing price, but your price stays the same. Anyway, Arnold presses, set number 2. Ready? All the way down and press up and fight it. 1, control that weight. 2, 3, 4. We're halfway there, looking good. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, tricep extension, single dumbbell. I'll sit up a little bit so I don't hit the back of the bench with the dumbbell. Pick it up over your head, drop it all the way down, and extend up. Ready? 1, 2. Remember, we're just going for 10 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6. Fight on the way down. 7. I keep on repeating myself because it's important. 8. 2 more. 9 and 10. All right. Last set of this exercise. Decline that bench to a 45 degree. Grab your lighter weights or whatever weights you were using in the first set. We're going for a set of curls. Nice and control, make it burn. Light weights, make difficult. High stimulus, low fatigue. Ready? Let's go. 1, and slow on the way down. 2, slow on the way down. 3, 4, no swinging. 5, 6, keep going. 3 more. Ready? 1, fight it, fight it, fight it. Slow it down, slow it down. Ready? 2, slow it down. There you go, there you go. Last rep, and that's it. And nice and slow. Don't drop it yet. Don't drop it. Hold on to it. And straight extend out. And that's it, guys. That calls it for today's workout. This is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This was our beginning dumbbell workout for adults over 50. Welcome back if you're not new here. If you're an existing customer, and welcome if you're new. Don't forget to check out the rest of my workouts, guys. They do come out every Monday or Thursday for almost 5 years running now. I'll see you later, and thanks for joining me today.